let's welcome and enjoy the concert with
Passa l'hivern i no aconseguisc esborrar del record alguns dels moments especials que vam viure durant els 2 mesos i els 20. Sabem que no som perfectes, tenim els nostres punts febles, però aprenem dels errors, almenys vivim amb la consciència tranquil·la, perquè hem fet tot el possible.
We have now time for questions.
So, or the reception of the younger are with you, or they are like another spectacle just to play for the arts and don't
Things that are wide things, wide topics that are not getting in trouble, you know. So it's
I wanted to say thank you for coming to Mid-Missouri to present to us, because I really I realize that a lot of artists will talk about the same things that you do, talk about the same topics, but it's not as evident that they're passionate about it if they're not willing to, go out of their way to share that.
Keep up the good work. Thank you very much.